If you're still manually sending LinkedIn messages and struggling to book calls, this tool can replace that entire process. It's called Sellinger, and it gives you an autonomous AI employee that runs your entire LinkedIn outreach for you. And here's how it works. Sellinger automates LinkedIn messaging, connection requests, and follow-ups using advanced conversational AI. It doesn't just blast DMs. It writes and replies like a human, analyzes engagement signals, and keeps conversations going until leads are qualified. The app combines autonomous outreach with deep lead research, so your AI employee can find the right prospects, understand who they are, and craft natural contextual messages. It also tracks intent signals like when someone views your profile or interacts with your posts, and uses that data to start relevant conversations automatically. Everything is built around flexibility. You can customize how your AI behaves, the tone it uses, and even the industries it targets. There's also multi-purpose agent support, so one system can manage multiple outreach styles or campaigns all at one time, and the result: real conversations and real replies, not just automated spam. Their site even shows testimonial from users who replaced hours of daily LinkedIn activity with Sellinger's AI and saw consistent pipeline growth. As for pricing, it's straightforward. $200 per month for the starter plan, $400 per month for the growth plan, which adds more leads, automation capacity, and deeper personalization. If your focus is purely LinkedIn outreach, Sellinger is a serious time saver. It's like hiring a virtual SDR that works 24/7. But if you want a platform that goes beyond LinkedIn, handling email outreach, inbox rotation, warm-ups, AI personalization campaigns, and full funnel automation, that's where Salesforge comes in. Salesforge's Agent Frank doesn't just message people. It finds them, personalizes every email, sends at scale, and books meetings automatically. So if you're ready to take your outreach from automated to fully autonomous, check out this video next.